There are several concerns using AI to replace jobs that humans could do. Here are some counter-arguments why it is perfectly fine. Efficiency and productivity. AI can perform tasks faster, more accurately and consistently than humans, which can lead to increased productivity and efficiency. This can free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks, and also reduce human error and increase safety in certain jobs. Economic benefits. The use of AI can lead to cost savings for businesses, which can in turn lead to increased economic growth and job creation. It can also make products and services more affordable for consumers. Improving quality of life. AI can be used to perform tasks that are dangerous or undesirable for humans, such as cleaning up hazardous waste or exploring deep space. This can improve the overall quality of life for humans by reducing the risk of injury or death and by allowing us to accomplish things that were previously not possible. Job augmentation. AI can be used to augment human capabilities, rather than replace them. This can allow humans to do their jobs better, faster and more efficiently. AI can help humans to be more productive and efficient while also providing them with new insights and opportunities. Social benefits. AI can be used to improve the delivery of public services such as healthcare, education, transportation and many other aspects of our lives. It can also help us to solve some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, by applying logic instead of emotions. Ethical considerations. AI can be programmed and designed to follow ethical principles, to ensure that its actions align with human values, and to prevent it from causing harm to humans. By using AI in a responsible and ethical way, organizations and individuals can mitigate the negative impact of automation and ensure that it aligns with our moral values. It's worth noting that the use of AI in the workforce should be done responsibly with clear ethical guidelines, and also taking into consideration the potential negative impacts on workers, such as job loss. It's important to ensure that the use of AI does not discriminate or harm certain groups of people, and that it is done in a way that benefits society as a whole. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Here is a suggestion on which clip to watch next.